Fidelity Spire Pricing explained what you get for your money. Fidelity Spire is an app designed to simplify investing while helping you track your financial goals. If you've ever assumed a high-quality investing app comes with complicated pricing, the surprising truth is that Spire keeps it straightforward. The app is free to download, and you can start tracking your goals and learning about investments without paying a cent. When it comes to investing, Fidelity Spire uses low-cost mutual funds and ETFs. There are no account fees for cash management, and investing in Fidelity mutual funds often comes with no transaction fees. Most people get this wrong by thinking free apps limit your options. In reality, even at no cost, you can set up personalized goals, track your spending, and explore investment strategies. For example, you can create a goal to save $0 for a house, and Spire will recommend investment allocations based on your timeline and risk tolerance. For more advanced investors, Fidelity Spire doesn't charge a management fee beyond the expense ratios of the funds themselves. This transparency allows you to grow your wealth without hidden costs cutting into your returns. The app also provides real-time notifications, goal tracking, and insights to keep you on track. In conclusion, Fidelity Spire offers a mix of accessibility, education, and investing tools without overwhelming fees. Whether you're just starting or already investing, this app provides a simple, effective way to manage your money and achieve financial goals.